Let's do some role playing today. Let's pretend that you, the mentee, are the infinite mind, the infinite intelligence. Stay tuned for the role play. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And I was thinking about this because I saw something where a video that had nothing to do with what I'm going to talk about today. It was easy come, easy go. And when I thought of that, the first thing I thought of was, it's really not easy come, easy go. It's easy go, easy come. Huh? What are you talking about today, Eli's dad? All right, well, let's do a little role play. Let's pretend that you are the infinite mind. And as the infinite mind, one of your main objectives is to partner with us, the people, to help them achieve the goals, the burning desires that they desire and they deserve, people using their imagination, so on and so forth, to advance their cause. The cause individually and the cause of mankind as a whole. Okay, so you're the infinite mind, and you say to yourself, now, boy, how am I going to do that? I don't want to give people just, magical powers where they take a wand and make an elephant disappear. All right, that's not going to work. What is it that I can do that is going to make this the most productive? Not only do I want to make it productive, but I want to make it simple. Simple is good. Most of the time when you get results, it's because a simple process was followed. And a new idea came to the forefront and you said, oh, an aha moment. Well, if I were the infinite mind, what I would want to do is I would say, you know what, I really want to help you to achieve your desires, your burning desires. So how can I do that? What's a simple way to do that? And I'm speaking logically here. If you're the infinite mind, you can do whatever you please. But how can I get this done? I need to have some sort of a formula that the people can follow, so it will take them step by step by step from where they are to where they want to go. Let's see, what can I do? Well, everybody knows, at least people that have been watching this channel, that we have some 60,000 or so different thoughts every single day. So how do we differentiate that burning desire? You attach emotion to it. You attach emotion to it. And when you attach emotion to it and you create that clear vision, that clear outcome, I keep saying the word clear. Are you following what I'm saying? That clear vision, that clear outcome. And you send that out into the ether, into the universe. And it's a burning desire and I can feel it with your emotion. Then I can single out exactly what it is you want to achieve. Otherwise, because we have so many different thoughts during the day about this, about that, oh, that guy cut me off, or boy, that looks like, that chocolate looks good, or, there are so many different thoughts. This will differentiate the emotion that you attach to your burning desire. And how do you attach that emotion? It's a step-by-step process again. First, you have to visualize it. You have to see it. You have to be able to see yourself having already achieved it. Not only achieving it, but the results that you get because you've achieved it. All right? If one of the things is you want to have a lot of money, what are you going to do with all the money? Are you going to buy an island? Are you what are the different things that you're going to do with the money? So that's part of the emotion. That's part of the want to. That's part of the need to. That's part of the I will not be denied this final outcome. So when you attach that emotion to your burning desire and send that vibe out there, then it's easy for the infinite mind. Once again, we're role playing. I'm the infinite mind. Something's coming in from Eli's dad. All right, I'm getting a vibe. Here it comes. And it makes it easier to single out that one particular want that you have, that desire, that outcome that you have. Does that make some logical sense? On the other hand, if you want to have that communication back and forth, where the ultimate goal of the infinite mind is to partner with you to help you to achieve that goal, is you have to allow some time for the receiving station to be open, and you have to give yourself some quiet time. Once again, remember we talked about easy go, easy come. All right, well, the go is the part where you're sending out that emotional burning desire into the universe. The easy come part is where you have relaxed intensity, so to speak, just a relaxed position where you're allowing yourself to receive the input, the vibe from the infinite partner. And the infinite partner responds in a couple of different ways. One way is by giving you a mind flash. Another way is by creating circumstances that you could not have predicted or planned, and you see that as an opportunity, and you connect your burning desire with that opportunity. Okay, now I can take this is what I want, I see this in front of me, how can I get from here to there? Does that make some sense? That's the way that the infinite mind works. The infinite mind is not trying to make this an unbelievably complicated scientific formula. It's very, very simple. Burning desire, share the vision, send out the vibe, and the best way to do that is with emotional attachment. How do you create that emotional attachment for yourself? By visualizing that outcome, by seeing it, feeling it, smelling it, tasting it, by feeling the results that you'll get from having achieved it. When you do that, the infinite partner is able to single out that one objective that you have and to send help. And it's something that you have to recognize, that you want to have that relaxed time, because that is the way that the infinite mind communicates best, when you are in a relaxed state, when you're brushing your teeth, when you give yourself 10 minutes of meditation time, quiet thinking time, when you're driving down the road and you're watching the road, but you're not intensely focused, you're relaxed. All the different times in your day when you're relaxed, give yourself some time. And the more times you give yourself to do that, the more opportunities your receiving station will have to get the information that's going to put you forward. So you don't have to spend all day doing it, but you do need to get the key times, which is before you go to sleep at night. Get that subconscious mind working. The subconscious mind is the corridor that connects the infinite mind with you. When you wake up in the morning, send that vision again. Give yourself that quiet thinking time. Open up that corridor again. Instead of sending the message this time, now you're receiving the message. If you were the infinite mind, let's role play, how would you do it? Doesn't that seem like a very simple way to accomplish the goal? Seek and you shall find. These are very, very simple concepts that we tend to either A, complicate, or B, completely ignore and not take advantage of what's in front of us. So let's take advantage of the simplicity of what the infinite mind is trying to do to help us out. attach some emotion to your vision, have a clear, crystal clear outcome that you're seeking, send that vibe out there, be in a position to receive the results to help you to achieve your particular goal. And because we'll never end up meeting on a philosophical note, let's get out there, let's partner with the infinite mind, and charge! I'm Eli's dad.